Hi everyone, my name is Patrick. I'm the founder of PJCP. Welcome to my studio. Today we are talking about 3 really fun, simple place card ideas for your Thanksgiving holiday table. Let's jump right in. We found these really cute tiered candy sort of trays at our local craft store. What's really fun about these is you can spray paint them whatever color you like to match your tablescape. You could even then repurpose them, for Christmas or for Easter by spraying them different colors or even just back to white. We've left one white and shown kind of a woodsy burgundy here and an orange. We've made these into candy boards, which is really fun. Everyone loves a couple bites of candy. And one thing to keep in mind is, have different flavors for everyone. Make sure there's something for everyone. Maybe you could put their favorite candy at their place setting and have, all different place settings. That would be really fun. You want a mix of salty and sweet. You want a mix of size and shape and colors. Here we've obviously done some really fun fall colors. These will sure to be a hit, and you'll use them again and again. Our second are these cute little pumpkin place card holders. You could use real pumpkins or gourds from your local farmer's market, or like we've done, we found these styrofoam ones, and I think they're about 12 for $5. Super inexpensive and really fun. You want to decide if you want your place card kind of behind and straight, or if you want it coming off the edge. Then you're going to take a little handsaw from your workbench and cut a slit in it. You want the slit for back if it's going behind at a little bit of an angle, and you want it straight up and down if it's coming off the side. We're going to do this one at a little bit of an angle. A little bit of styrofoam mess, but super easy. Oops. And you just slip your place card right in like that. Really cute. Our last one are these wood slices. You may have these lying around, or if you chop your own firewood, you literally have some pieces of wood lying around. We again got these in a pack of 5 or 6 at our craft store, and super inexpensive. We've used our Cricut decal cutter, like many of you have, to create these decals. This one's for Jen. And one additional tip that we love with these is that on the back you can write a question or a thought starter, or what's your favorite new movie? What's your favorite color? What are you thankful for this year? Or if you want to have a really exciting Thanksgiving, you can put questions like, where were you on January 6th? It's sure to be a hit. Have a great Thanksgiving.